Alright y'all, so today we are going to be making something super simple. It is a German dish called roulade. And for this, we have some thin cut steaks or carne asada cut steaks. Very thinly cut steaks is key to this. We got some onion, we got some pickles, we got some mustard. I'm going with a stone ground mustard, but you can kind of go with whatever mustard you want for the flavor of this dish. A little bit of butter and some flour. Like I said, super simple. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with our onion. And we're going to slice this thing, not dice, nothing like that. We're just going to go ahead, simply slice. Just like that, we're done. We're going to move on to the assemblage. Now, for the easiest way to do this and the easiest cleanup is to use a cookie sheet. But if you don't want to dirty an extra dish, I get that. You don't have to. But trust me, it's a lot easier if you just dirty this darn thing. We're going to go ahead and coat this with some flour. Then we're going to take our steaks. We're going to take some mustard. Doesn't have to be fancy. We're going to roll these things up. So now we're just going to simply take our pickles. Take our sliced up onion. Now this next part's a lot easier if you got some toothpicks. So we're just going to simply roll these things up. If you got a toothpick, and stab them together like so. And it's actually better if you toothpick it through the pickle as well. Just toothpick it all the way through. Alright y'all, so now in our skillet, using cast iron, we're going to take 4 tablespoons of butter. Get that melting. Alright, so once our butter's mostly melted, we're going to go ahead and drop these in. And we want a good sear all the way around on these things. So all we're doing right now is just searing them. So we're going to cook them on every side for about a minute or two. Then we're going to go ahead and flip them. Alright y'all, so once we have a good sear on every side, we're going to go ahead, take our heat, put it on medium-low. Also going to go ahead, pull our steaks, sit to the side. We're going to take another 4 tablespoons of butter. Then we're going to take 1/4 cup of flour. We're going to get this well mixed up. We're making a brown gravy right now. Once we have that, we're going to start with 2 cups of water. We might need more. We want to get that flour well mixed in. Now we want this to be a little runnier because we're going to let this simmer for an hour. So I'm going to add in another 2 cups, and this is because of the size of my pan. So we're going to salt and pepper to taste, and we're also going to add in 2 tablespoons of our pickle juice. And we're going to go ahead and put our steaks back in. Then we're going to simmer this on medium-low for about an hour. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, so it's been simmering for an hour. We can go ahead, put these on a plate, serve them up. Put some gravy over the top of them. You know, maybe have some mashed potatoes on the side. Put some gravy over that as well. But I hope you enjoy this recipe. And if you want to see anything else made on this channel, go ahead, leave a comment below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.